So you just built a sports complex there.
Yeah.
Pretty legendary, you know. Could you talk about that?
Yes, that was my father's whole plan. He really wanted it way up in the mountains. First, it's great for the fighters. Right now, I just flew out here to Las Vegas. We're sitting here, like, doing this podcast together. But I came out here for Umar's fight. And I should say, Umar did his main training there at the new base in Sildi. He spent almost a month at that place. And because it's 15 to 1600 meters above sea level, man, it's tough to train there. And the thing is, when you spend about 3 to 4 weeks there, you just have more oxygen in your blood, you have more testosterone, you improve physically, your stamina builds up, and so on. And this base was sort of my father's dream. He started building it back in 2016, 2017. Money was tight back then. It was really hard, but we built it little by little. In 2020, my father passed away, but I kept the project going just a little differently, on a bigger scale. Right now, the base is open and 100 people can be there at the same time, training, eating, sleeping. And our guys hold their training camps up there. So this was sort of my father's dream that I have pretty much brought to life.
It's a powerful story. To return to the place where you were born up in the mountains, in order to build a sports complex where champions train. Makhachkala Gym is a great place, but the mountains are special.
Mountains are mountains.
Mountains are mountains.
Your home village, no matter what, on some sort of deeper level, somehow gives you that, like Americans love to say, positive energy. Not everything has to be done for money. And, you shouldn't just look for profit in everything, let's say, financially. There are certain things that don't bring me anything at all, except for expenses. But I still do all of it because it brings me a lot of happiness and meaning. First of all, it creates a lot of jobs. People can work and earn a living. Second, it's because my father really wanted this. Third, let's say the guys can train and improve up there, both physically and spiritually. There are just so many benefits there.
I don't know if it's okay to ask something like this, but I would dream of coming out there to Dagestan, and not just to Makhachkala, but to Sildi. Is that even possible for me?
I think we could film a really good story out there. I'm not sure about a podcast, but I'm sure we could shoot a really nice vlog there.
So, can you tell me a bit about the journey from Makhachkala all the way to Sildi?
4 hours. Well, 340.
Through the mountains?
Yeah, 330, 340 through the mountains. The road is a real winding one, not an easy ride. If it gets to be too hard for you, we can just take a helicopter. It's no problem at all. Like 40 to 50 minutes from Makhachkala to Sildi. Otherwise, keeping it more down to earth, we go by car. So there's absolutely no problem.
I could never get used to a wealthy life. It's not in my blood to be like that.
All right, then we'll go by car.
Yeah, we could go on horseback, but a car is better.
No, by car is better. On horseback takes way too long.